Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update battery handle firmware on your DJI Osmo Pocket 4. First of all, make sure to turn your camera off and physically attach the camera battery handle like this until it clicks. After that, you're gonna have to connect your camera to your mobile application. So hold down the power button, then click plus, and connect your camera. Let your smartphone find it, tap connect. Wait until both devices are connected. And now you have two options. You can either go to settings on your smartphone, scroll down to check for firmware updates, or you can swipe down on the camera. Let me zoom in a bit. So as I said, you can swipe down on camera, then tap on settings, and then scroll down to device info. Then you're gonna have to scroll down to battery handle firmware version. Tap on this option and then let your device check for updates. And once it finds anything, it will let you know and install the most recent update for your battery handle. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.